Hi all. Introduce myself. My name is Subhani. I am from Swarna village near to Chirala, Bapata district. My qualification is MSc BEd. I have 17 years of experience as a senior chemistry faculty. I can teach the chemistry from LKG to PG. That means alphabets to up to become the expert in chemistry subject I can teach. So if anybody wants chemistry tuitions for their children's, or anybody wants to learn the chemistry from basic level to expert in chemistry subject, please contact me. My mobile number is 9989954195. Again I repeat, 9989954195. I am available for your convenience time. Thank you all.